How you doing? Hope you're good. Hope you're well. This video is for my fellow artists who are stuck on, like, they want to animate but they're stuck on what to animate. I'm going to show a few animations I've done and you just recreate it in your own character. Okay? Nice, short, sweet. A little tip, what you can do is you can pause the video and then you can click the full stop button and the comma button. What that does is, like, it will move it frame by frame for you, you know. And with that, what you can do, you can draw the poses. If you want to draw my character, you can draw my character, but please don't use AI. If you use AI, I don't give permission for that, but you can do so. If not, use your own character. It's better for you anyway that way. And here's the videos. One moment. So just as promised, here's Crack with a dotty. You can pause it, or you're cocking it back and then walking. Nice and easy. Here we have Higgity from Gen Alpha Demons eating a eye burger. Pause it, do your thing. And then here we have Efro, aka being a Tarzan. Whoa, and waving. He's waving. This is good for, good practice, because it's like body mechanism, and then just these little short animations, get yourself familiar with moving your characters, getting familiar with the frames, getting familiar with keeping the consistency. Don't search for perfection, just do. So there you have it, guys. Don't say I don't look out for you lot. I look out. I'll look out more. The more I learn, the more I share. Show love. I'm showing love back as well, so I appreciate all the love. Subscribe if you're subscribed, and I'm out.